So it's like 4 o'clock at night, and Kenny's asleep, and I got an air horn. It's like $15 at Walmart, and right now he's upstairs, and we're gonna go blow it in Kenny's ear. Here we go. Let's take a road trip upstairs. Hold on. Did you take the fan off? Is he awake? Okay, hold on. There's Kenny. You see him? He's sleeping. Ready? On 3 we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Sorry!
Why are you crying?
I'm crying, dude.
You need a hug?
Get away!
Oh, he's pissed. Alright, road trip downstairs. Oh, this is great. Alright. See, look at this is my DJ system. See, it's pretty sweet. It's an air horn. Big, huge subwoofer. Shakes my house. Well, let's go back to DJing. See you later.